Good evening all of you. My name is Tanish Sachin and I am from class 19 from Reliance Foundation School, Nagotane, Raigad. My project name is Quick Finger Duster. A quick finger duster is a small cleaning tool that fits on your finger like a gloves. As you write on a board, you can instantly rub that word by your finger. It makes writing faster and easier, especially during teaching or presenting or solving a math problem. Tell about the uses of quick finger duster. A quick finger duster is used to quickly to erase a small mistake written on a board. It saves times in teaching and presentation. It is a washable. It can use on blackboard, whiteboard, both. Keep the board clean throughout a year. No need to carry a big duster. Help students while solving a math problems, etc.